The heavens declare your glory, O Lord. The skies speak your power each day. From sunrise to sunset, your voice is heard. No words, yet all hearts obey. The song resounds through all the earth. Your beauty the stars proclaim. From dawn to dusk, creation sings the wonder of your name. The heavens declare, the earth joins in. All of creation lifts its hand. The sun and moon, the oceans roar. Forever we'll praise you, Lord of all. Your law is perfect, lighting our way, reviving the soul once more. Your truth is sweeter than honeycomb, more precious than finest gold. Your word gives joy, it opens our eyes, it teaches our hearts to see that all we are and all we do be pure, O Lord, for thee. The heavens declare, the earth joins in. All of creation lifts its hand. The sun and moon, the oceans roar. Forever we'll praise you, Lord of all. Let every breath, let every sound rise up as glory all around. From mountain heights to valley floor, we sing your name forevermore. The heavens declare, the earth joins in. All of creation lifts its hymn. The sun